So if you got a invisible ink pad right here like we have and our ink dried up, I'm going to show you guys how to make an invisible marker with a highlighter. And if it has a black light and you want to read your little invisible thing, you're going to take a highlighter, yellow, disconnect the ink out of it. We cracked this open and opened it, not cracked it, but just moved it over. Go ahead and show them the water, what's happening. Making it all bleed out. Get out, get out, get out, get out, bleed out. Next, you're gonna pop this thing out right here. Can you see my finger? Back up a little, please. Okay, right there. You're gonna pull this thing out in the bowl. You're gonna get that wet. What you're doing is washing it in the water. So keep washing it and bleed all that yellow stuff out. And we're gonna drain this water when it's all cleaned out. And then we're gonna use new water again one more time. And then we're gonna put it back together and we're gonna try it. Stop. All right, here we are washing it one more time, getting all that yellow out of there. I think it's gonna be good after this. What do you think? All right, clean, 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 washing it all out. Put it back together. And put that in there. And shove the, did you even record in my hand?
Yes, I am right now.
We put this piece in here if you didn't see that. And then we put this piece in here, right here. And now we're putting this cap back on right here. You recording that?
Yes.
Got that on there. And let's see if it works. Ready? Do we have to shut the lights off?
Maybe.
Okay, pause. All right, ready? The secret message is, do you know what I'm writing? The secret. Oh, it works. Oh my God, I can't believe it. That is pretty cool. All right, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. And that's pretty cool that we fixed it with a little highlighter.
Bye.